Hello, I am Dr. Ashwini Kumar Johari. I am a senior consultant and head of the Department Internal Medicine in Preet Vihar Metro Hospital and Cancer Institute. Today we will be talking a little bit about high blood pressure, which is commonly known as hypertension. Hypertension is one condition which is often ignored by the patients because largely the high blood pressure does not produce any symptoms. Sometimes you will be surprised the doctor measures blood pressure quite high but you have no symptom, and you ask the doctor to measure the blood pressure again and again because you does not believe that you have such a high blood pressure and have no symptom. Body has a very good adaptive mechanism. As the blood pressure goes slowly up and slowly high, body adapted so well that you may not get any symptoms. But the blood pressure is still without producing any symptom is harming the various organs in your body. It is continuously harming your kidneys, your heart, your brain, your eyes. And you remain absolutely ignorant about these because until unless the damage to these organs progress to a higher level, you may not get any symptoms. So what I want to give you a message that if you are diagnosed blood pressure, you have to follow regularly by measuring the blood pressure yourself at home. Why I said that it is important to measure the blood pressure at home? Because there are some patients in whom the blood pressure is measured high erroneously when they come to the clinic or to the hospital setting. They call it white coat hypertension. In these patients, or if these patients measure the blood pressure at home, the blood pressure comes normal. Then there can be patients like that who gets high blood pressure in the office, or some patient who can get high blood pressure sometimes at home and not in the office. So it is important to measure the blood pressure self at home, and sometimes you need a ambulatory BP monitoring to diagnose the blood pressure. But once the blood pressure is diagnosed and blood pressure and you are being advised the treatment, kindly follow the treatment. The treatment means you need a lifestyle modification including diet and exercise and also medication. Diet and exercise we know is very important even in today's era when the corona is there and there are limitation in moving out. The floor exercise and yogic exercise can be done at home to keep up to your schedule. The diet means you have to restrict the salt in your diet, and accordingly if you have other comorbidities like dyslipidemia, you may need to reduce some fat also in your diet. And you have to keep your weight in control, and you have to keep your weight in limit. Besides that, the medicine is very important part in most of the patients, and medicine should be continued maybe lifelong. As we think that medicine produces maybe more side effect, many patients think the medicine will produce more side effect when it will be taken throughout the life. But to the contrary, the benefit of controlling blood pressure by any medicine is far more than whatever side effect medicine can ever produce. So dear friends, side effects of blood pressure is much more important and devastating the side effect of medicine. So please continue the medicine, please follow the advice of the doctor, please do the regular exercise, please do and follow all lifestyle medication, and I hope that with that way if you control your pressure you will not get any target organ damage, or you will get a very delayed target organ damage like you must have heard of kidney failure or blindness or heart attack or a stroke, which are the common condition which is basically complication of uncontrolled long-standing hypertension. With that I finish. Thank you very much.